You're up again. Hand down your pants, staring at some pixelated crap that'll rot your soul. Again. Want to know why your life's still on meh mode? Let's rip off the Band-Aid. The daily grind. Who's this guy? Meet you at 26. Got hustle tattooed on your brain. Wake up at 5 a.m. like a Goggins wannabe. Chug pre-workout, grind till your eyeballs bleed, but deep down, you're a hamster. Spinning wheels, going nowhere. Why? 'Cause 4 demons are eating you alive. The hidden killers, the nightly trap demon. Number 1, the midnight handshake. Science says that post-nut fog turns your brain into mashed potatoes. You think you're resetting? Nah, you're nuking tomorrow's focus. Congrats. Demon number 2, lists bait and switch. Your lizard brain's hooked on cheap thrills, but that high, it's a lie. You crash harder than a Tesla on autopilot. Suddenly, your big ideas, gone. Poof, jealousy. Demon number 3, jealousy's bitter pill. Yeah, it kind of fuels you till you're that guy muttering overrated about everyone winning. Hating on others won't make your bank account thicker. Comparison. Demon number 4, comparison's slow poison. You stalk LinkedIn success porn, then feel like a dumpster fire. Brain scans prove this crap literally rewires you for loser mode. Stop. The breaking point. This was me. 2 a.m. Just one vid turned into 3 hours. Fumbled a client pitch the next day. Felt hollow. Then it hit me. These aren't habits. They're prison guards. The battle plan, unflinching awareness. Step 1, snitch on yourself. Carry a shame log. Every time you itch to scroll or stroke your ego, write it down. No judgment, just facts. You'll cringe. Channel that horny energy. Feel the urge? Don't rub it. Redirect it. Smash out 20 push-ups. Cold shower. Write 100 words of your manifesto. Science calls this transmutation. I call it stealing your power back. Jealousy hack? Next time you envy someone, steal their blueprint. What's the gap? Skills, connections, write 3 steps to close it. Boom! Jealousy's now jet fuel. Comparison detox, delete Instagram for 7 days. Go touch grass. Write 3 wins daily, even if it's didn't rage quit today. You'll realize you're the main character, not them. The transformation 30 days. No jerking, no comparing, no lust zombie mode. You'll claw back 10 plus hours a week. Mental clarity, but don't ghost me. Comment day 1 below. Right, now, we're building a wolfpack here. No more sheep. Smash subscribe. Let's go.